All right. So now you've got your customers, you're trying to get them thriving for free, and you're coming up with objections. Objections are a big deal, right? So let's hear some objections from the street. Roll the video.
Yeah, that stuff is way too expensive.
I've never done supplements before.
I already feel good enough. I'm good.
I already take vitamins. Those things don't work.
No, I'm good. I don't need your energy stuff. I have my stuff.
I'm already doing all the things. I'm working out. I eat decently. I don't have a weight issue.
I'm not giving my coffee up. There's no way.
There's just no way. I don't know anyone that can afford it.
Yeah, that's a pyramid scheme.
I just don't have time for that. With 3 kids, 2 kids in sports, our oldest is getting married, our schedule is jam-packed the way it is.
No, I do not have time for a second job.
Listen, I work in healthcare and that kind of stuff doesn't work, but if those magic patches and pills are working for you, I mean, good for you.
Oh my goodness. Who has heard some of those objections? Have you heard those? All of them? Like mostly all of them if you've been here a bit? All right, so we're gonna break these down. First of all, an objection is a problem waiting for a solution. And I'm gonna go ahead and preface this with almost every one of these can be knocked out with feel, felt, found, but Dana's gonna take that into a little bit deeper in a minute. All right, too expensive, I can't afford it.
Okay, so feel, felt, found is just a simple and fancy way of saying I'm listening to you, I understand what you're saying, and so the easiest way I think to answer something like too expensive is understanding, hey, I understand how you feel, I've been there, I feel the exact same way, but what I found is once I tried the product, you know, I found the value in it. The greatest thing about this company too is when you refer to friends, you can get the product for free. So I incorporated, I understand how you're feeling. I felt the same way. What I found was, now the greatest thing too is if you don't understand how they feel, you have that connection with the 3-way call or, you know, whatever. So you're gonna find somebody who feels the same way.
You know, I agree with you, Dana. I totally agree that the feel, felt, and found is super important. But also, guys, where's your mindset? Do you feel like the product is too expensive? If you feel like the product is too expensive, you're going to portray that to other people. I walked into this business and I was taking other supplements that were $600 a month. I thought $150 was cheap. So I have never put that out. Like, you have to put out that it's all about your mindset and what you're putting out there.
And on what Jamie is saying, you guys, we cannot determine what is expensive for somebody. We cannot sell out of our own pockets. Whether it's affordable or expensive, we just tell them about our premium grade nutrition and give them these products.